Hello everybody. Today we're going to torch a piece of meat. Nice piece of ribeye from local store Heinen's. I learned how to cook the steak from Chef Ramsay. So today I'm going to share that with you. You will love it. First of all, let's take a piece of steak out, Nice piece of steak. Beautiful, okay? We put some pepper on it, okay? Beautiful pepper. Then we'll put some salt on it. Beat it. And normally we put those pepper and salt on about an hour ago, but today we're in a hurry, okay? So that being said, we instantly go to put this piece of meat in the pot. So Chef Ramsay's way is we don't grill, we pan fry it. So let's come over here. And obviously, you have to make sure that the pan is hot. Has to be hot. First of all, you have to put some oil in it, not a lot. Make sure just a little bit. Just a little bit, okay? Make sure the whole pan has it. You see, this is my old pan, okay? It's really beat up the pan. I love it because I need the bottom will be brown a little bit. So this is a piece of meat. Let's go for it. Now, the tricky part is this. I have a timer here. I put 8 minutes on it, just 8 minutes, okay? So what we do here is, last time I stir fried the chicken, this time I cook the beef. So when we cook the beef, we have to turn every single minute evenly, so it can be cooked evenly on both sides. So just be a little bit patient here. Nice piece of meat. This steak is cooking on the pan. It's another minute, let's turn it. It's a nice piece of steak. I turn again. Remember, have to turn every single minute. Every single minute. So it can evenly cook on both sides. And after being turned on every single minute, another thing you have to do is you have to seal. So let's see. This is what we do here. We seal. Okay? We seal. Okay, then we seal the other side. We have to seal. We have to seal, okay? Make sure I have to seal. Seal all the way around it. Let's keep cooking. So let's see, another minute passed. Let's turn again. Oh, nice. Look at how nice the whole thing is. It's just simply beautiful. Now we need to put a little bit rosemary here, okay? We put a little bit thyme here, okay? Little bit of that. Give you the flavor. I'm still holding my timer here. And then we love to have some garlic, okay? We put lots of garlic on it, okay? We put a garlic on one side. On the one side, then we're going to put a garlic on the other side. Let me turn again, okay? Ooh, nice piece of steak. Look at it here. Then we put a garlic on the other side. After that, make sure you have a lot of butter. So I'm going to put tons of the butter on it. I just dump the butter right on the top. Right on the top. Right on the top. When you do then that, there's only 2 minutes left. Then make sure your oven is on. Put a 200 degree right here. Because afterwards we need to put this one into the oven to keep cooking. Okay? So keep cooking right now. Beautiful piece here. Almost there, guys, almost there. Look at, almost there. Okay, nice. Now it's done, okay? So, but it's actually not complete cooked. So at this point, I'm going to put this one into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay? In the meantime, we need some vegetables today. So I'm going to cook some vegetables. Today, I picked asparagus. Nice one. Clean and very fresh. I put some oil in it. Okay? So let's put that one in. Very easy. Now we go back to stir fry again. Okay, guys? What do we do stir fry? We just keep stirring. So here's what I'm going to do. I make sure I just keep stirring, okay? Nice one. Okay, it's an easy way to cook it. Okay, it's warm up a little bit. And it takes a few seconds to warm it up. In the meantime, what do we do today on the stir-fry asparagus? We love to have using some oyster sauce, the Chinese oyster sauce. So let me put some oyster sauce in it, just not that much, just a little bit. Then stir it again, one more time. You will be done in a couple of minutes. Sounds good right now. Time is up. Okay, I believe the steak is done. So let's open up. Oh my goodness, it's hot here. So let me take the steak off. Whoa, nice piece of steak. Let's look at how nice and juicy the steak is. Okay, so here is what I'm going to do. I have to take that piece of steak out here. And obviously, let me leave those out there when I come back. So first of all, we need to do is look at how beautiful this steak is about. So let's see how good it is, okay? Guys, look how juicy it is. My goodness, okay? Look how juicy the whole thing is. Unbelievable. Look at here. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, unbelievable. Okay? Unbelievable. It's a beautiful piece of steak here. It's so juicy. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm going to take the plate right here. I'm going to put this piece of steak being cut and on the plate right now. Ooh, how do I get the juice out? Let me do this, okay? This is a challenge to me right now. Okay, so let me get the pan out of here. So I'm going to get all the juice out of here. Okay, look, all the juice, everything right here. And I'm going to scoop all the juice here too. Nice juice. I'm not going to waste all this juice. Okay, juice is excellent. Okay, all the juice here. This is beautiful. Look at a piece of steak. Then we need the vegetables. So asparagus is ready here. So let's see how beautiful that is. Okay. Oh. This is our dinner tonight. And I have to share that with you how good the steak is. So I'm going to kind of sneak in a little bit, okay, and have a bite. Delicious, absolutely delicious. In the meantime, you have to have some wine. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.